Would you like to increase your profitability by 20 to 30%? I'll show you how you can reach that goal by two concrete strategies. Modularization and standardization. These are the two most important strategies for saving money. To make it a bit clearer, let's do a quick sample calculation. Let's assume you build a machine that costs 100,000 euro. The percentage of pneumatic and electrical automation technology is approximately 10%. Standardization helps here to reduce the diversity of parts. This lowers your overall purchasing and internal logistics costs. The next step is modularization. You define machine modules which you can use repeatedly. Your additional advantage is that in the future it's up to you if you want to process 2000 single parts or just 10 mounting blades through your company. Coming back to our calculation, let's assume you save 600 euros on purchasing and logistics. Through modularization, you'll also save money and time on project planning, development, assembly and commissioning. Let's assume you save 24 hours. Finally, you end up with total savings of 1,800 euros. A study by VDMA shows that companies with a low level of standardization have an average profitability of 5.7%. In our calculation, we are talking about 5,700 euros. By saving 1,800 euros, your profit increases to 7,500 euros. That's more than a 30% increase. By the way, the study by VDMA shows a similar result. I'm sure you'll agree that standardization and modularization is at least worth considering. We'll be happy to support you with our expertise and solutions. Just contact us.